good? I'm back again with yet another video giving you the gem on everything you need to know to chart like a pro. Plus, the broker that I'm going to be using today to analyze the charts with you all does allow PTY Ltd traders to register with them if you want to trade like a business in order to minimize the taxes. You know how it rolls. Now, let's get into the video. Technical analysis is a method of analyzing price data, charts, and other visual indicators to predict future price movements of currency pairs, indices, commodities, or whatever that you are choosing to trade. This method of analyzing relies on the idea that past price action and patterns can provide clues for future price movements. By analyzing charts and patterns, traders can make more informed decisions about where to buy or sell a currency pair, increasing the likelihood of profitable trades. To analyze like a professional, firstly you need a good broker that will provide you with a platform that offers plenty of charting tools to help with your analysis. On today's video, I am chatting with NotFX. NotFX offers traders access to MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, which provides traders with a range of charting tools and indicators to easily assist you on your technical analysis. These platforms allows for real-time observation of exchange rates, data collection, and the use of various graphical tools. NotFX also offers access to market analysis tools, which includes real-time market news, technical analysis, expert insights, as well as economic calendar. So for your convenience, it's very wise that you get yourself a broker which offers this feature inside the charts. So it's pretty much like instead of going somewhere else to pick something else that you need, NotFX just said, no, you don't have to go somewhere to pick something else that you need. We're gonna gather everything you need in one place so that you simply focus on getting those technicals right and making that moolah. Now, after choosing the right trading platform, you come back to yourself and decide what type of trader are you. This sounds so random, but trust me, it is very important for your consistent profitability and overall professionalism when you are approaching the market. For example, a swing trader will not analyze the market like a scalper, because the type of trade that they're taking are not the same. The size of the trades that they are taking are not the same. Therefore, these two kinds of traders can go to the same markets, trade on the same broker, same market, same currency pair, but they will look for different things. Even though they may sometimes enter the trades same time, sometimes even on the same spot, but they will not be looking at the same thing. And by default, they will also not have the same outcome at the end of the day. So it is very important to know what type of the trader are you, so that when you are going to the market, when you begin your technical analysis, you will know what to look for. But if you are a day trader, then the next thing you're gonna do is go to your most trusted trading platform and start analyzing. And I'm starting on the daily time frame for day traders. On the daily time frame, we are only looking for trend direction. This is the daily time frame. You're gonna come to your chart and go on insects, go to lines. There will be indicators, lines, channels, again Fibonacci shapes and everything. So you're gonna click on lines, and then you'll see there's your trend line right there, and you're gonna start putting your trend line like so. As you can see clearly for yourself that this is a bullish trend, and we know this because the market is moving to the upside direction, creating higher highs and higher lows, as you can see for yourself. As for me, I don't focus on this side of the charts because, well, the markets, it can take it a very long time to come back down all the way here, but I like working with what is relevant right now. Especially if you are a day trader, you don't want to know what happened in 1987. You just want to know what is happening currently. What is the current
trend direction, and this is enough information. After getting our overall trend direction, I'm gonna go ahead and mark my key levels, and on the same area we're gonna go to insert again. There will be indicators, there'll be line, there'll be channels, there'll be Gann, there'll be Fibonacci, there'll be shapes. So I'm gonna use shapes this time around, and this will be my support, my second support, and by the reason of what the market is doing currently, I have 3 supports. As you can see that the market is also currently on a support, and it's a very strong support. It will be very beneficial for you to use or start analyzing on the daily time frame, because you will see clearly other things that you will not see on the smaller time frames, even though you will see those things on the smaller time frames, but they will not make much sense in the smaller time frames. Daily time frame is very important. Another thing that I see going on here is we do have a very strong demand zone here on this last support. As you can see that this is an order block, and after the price released this order block, there was a very impulsive buying that took place right here, which the market may respect right now. As you can see that currently even the chart or the market seem to reject this level. This is a very strong demand zone as well. Instead of putting 2 channels, I'm gonna go ahead and put a line for this key level and a zone right there. Yeah, it looks decent now.
This is the only way we make money in the financial markets, by simply knowing where the market is going so that we can trade with the moving trend. That's the second trading rule, by the way. We trade with the moving trend. The trend is your friend. You never want to go against the trend because it always ends in tears. Next up, we go to the 4-hour time frame to find our optimal trading zones. After that, we narrow it down to the 1-hour time frame for entry opportunities, or narrow it even deeper to 50 minutes for entry confirmations.
Now let's go to the 4-hour. You see, it looks decent. We know that this is where we have the order block, and this is also a key level. As you can see for yourself, there's the price mitigated on this level, but currently it seems to be respecting the level. And if you did not start, you see what the danger is now. If you did not start analyzing on the daily time frame and you're a day trader, or if you don't understand the market structure clearly yet, you would think that this is a change of character, only to find out that you are wrong. Because this move, we understand that this move is happening because we are simply closing a gap which was left on the daily time frame because of this aggressive buying. So now the market is drastically moving downwards to fill this gap. As you can see that it has not yet closed below. Take note on that one. It has not closed below the last low. So if the market has not yet closed below the last low, that is not a change of character. For the change of character to be a valid change of character, don't forget that the market needs to close below the last low with 1 candlestick. So it was just a closure of the gap. These are your key levels and these are your key zones. Your first entry would have been here on this strong demand or order block. You're supposed to enter here, your stop loss, put your stop loss somewhere a little bit below the last low, and your TP all the way up to the last high. This would have been a very good trade for you with a very nice risk to reward ratio. As you can see for yourself that if you look at where you would have placed your stop loss and where your take profits is, blowing your account is far from you if you are taking such good quality trades.
This is simply how we analyze like a professional and make money in the financial markets. If you want to try out NotFX, they are an international brokerage with more than 15 years of success in the financial markets. And most importantly, they do accept PTY LTD traders if you want to trade as a business to save on those taxes. Their link is on the description box below. You can gladly open the account with them right now. Thank you NotFX for sponsoring today's video. May the peace of God rule in your hearts, guys. I'll see you on the next video.